This is on how to install a fog light on your F-150. This is a 2003. If you were doing some research and you could not figure out what bolts to put into the holes here, I'm going to tell you right now, and also how to install them. So basically you need a 10.9 bolt. This is what it looks like right here. And then you need one of these for every bolt. This is an Extruded U nut. This is a 6mm, and that's what it looks like right there. Basically, you'll see on the holes, when you look at these, you'll see that these holes have square cutouts next to the circle. That's so you can slide these into it. So this one right here, I'm going to do my best here to slide it in. There we go. And then what I do is, once I get this partially in, gotta pull it just a little bit my direction. There we go. Once I get this partially in, I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver and go behind this and just kind of help it along. Just kind of push it in there. There we go. See how far along I got there? Almost. There we go. And just popped right in. Then I take a Phillips head screwdriver like this, and then I just go right into that hole and just make sure that it's all solid and good to go, which it is. Now, this is how you do it. If you're like me and you didn't know about the Extruded U nuts that you had to put in here, the bolts will definitely not fit in there. Don't let that throw you off. So make sure you put the U nuts in there first. There's a square cutout. You'll slide it through that square cutout onto the bolt hole, and then you'll use these nuts. Again, these are 10.9, right? I think I said 10.9 nuts. Make sure that they have the nut head on the top, and then make sure that they have like this washer looking bottom. And then to tighten everything down, you're going to use, what is this one? This one is a 10mm. Right here, that's what I'm using just to tighten everything down. So once you get the fog light on here, put the screws through the top of it and you should be all set to go.